Okay, team. So here is what's happening with the Google integration with Square. So Google has an integration with Square. So if you go to online, go to online sales channel, and you look at your business profile, which is all set up, and order with Google, which is all set up. So we'll go ahead and manage our business profile. And so you can see right here, we're viewing 2 of 19 locations. And we can look and we can see all of our physical Kiva Juice locations. And we're going to focus on Las Brisas, are synced with Google. All right. So now, then if you go online and you look at, we'll get out of this one here. You go online and you look at order with Google. So you go to order with Google and you can see that they are also synced. So this is Kiva Juice. We're going to go to Kiva Juice, which is on the Weebly end, and you can see that all of the locations are synced. Once all of those items are done, you're supposed to be able to go into your items page right here, and then you go under channel listings, and this is what is supposed to allow you to, from my understanding and the way that the documentation is read, list your items, but you see that there's no channels set up. So you go to set up a channel and it takes you into this loop where everything's set up, but it doesn't show that it's set up according to Square's documentation. So again, no channel set up, and it just takes you into a loop. So Google set up, the integration is set up. Let's go a step further here, and we're going to go to the Google page. And the way that the Google page is supposed to work, let me go ahead and refresh this, is you're supposed to be able to see your items on your Google page. So here, I can see that Las Brisas only has 4 items out of about 50 that are listed and that are synced from Square. So if we go back here to edit the profile in Google and to manage the connection, the connection is between Square and Google is managed through Google Merchant Center. So if we hit continue here, it says continue, finishing adding items from Google. And right now you can see that it is syncing, that there are some items that Square has put in. The problem is there are only about 30 items. So none of these items here, like these are bowls and stuff like that, none of these items are from actually Square. These are the items that are from Weebly, but for some reason they're not approved, and it only is allowing me to see 30 items. Well, my business is smoothies. So for example, if I go to the Kiva Juice website and I look at the different items that are on Square, so I go here, I'm just going to go to Northwest Reno, 24 ounce. What am I? Oh yeah, Bananarama. So if I go to Bananarama, you can see that that item is on the Weebly's website, but when you go to Google, the Bananarama is nowhere to be found. So then you say, well, let's go ahead and let's add products. So you can add product by source. And this is a file which we don't have. We don't have Google Sheets. The API integration is already set up, but it's not pulling anything. And so it all ties back to this little guy here, according to your documentation, under item view. Let me go back here to item view, which we should be able to see our items under channel listings. And those items are not listed in order to sync between Square and Google. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but you cannot, for some reason, add any of these items because there's something wrong with the integration and it's not working here as Square as specified. So that's the issue, and that's what I need help with.